Let's talk about the 10 benefits of fiber. Now, when I'm talking about fiber, I'm talking about vegetable fiber. I'm not talking about grain fibers like bran or anything like that, but vegetables. And I do recommend, as part of a healthy keto lifestyle, you consume a good amount of vegetables, whether that's salad or other vegetables. Now, also on the flip side, there's certain times where I don't recommend vegetables. If you have SIBO or you have a history of a lot of digestive damage, that might make things worse. So you're going to have to test it out. But here are some benefits of fiber in general. Number one, fiber has a zero effect on insulin despite being a carbohydrate. Number two, it generally contains a lot of phytonutrients, like carotenoids, for example, and it also contains vitamins and minerals. Number three, fiber can bind to bile and help regulate the amount of bile in the body. I did a separate video on that. I'm going to put a link down below. Number four, it can help feed your microflora. In fact, the good bacteria in your large intestine eat fiber as their main source of food. And our bodies don't have the ability to digest fiber. Thank goodness we have bacteria that can help us out. And that fiber that is fed to the microbes then gives the microbes energy, and the byproducts that the microbes make when they ferment this fiber is called small chain fatty acids, which not only feed the colon cells, but they also help your blood sugars, they'll help insulin resistance, and they're even anti-cancer. All right, number six, it helps regulate your pH. When you feed these microbes, especially the lactobacillus, the pH can now be in the range that you need it to prevent pathogens from existing in that environment. Number seven, fiber helps the transit time as far as how fast things go through the digestive system. Number eight, fiber can help regulate lipids and cholesterol. Not that lipids or cholesterol is bad, but they help regulate it to some degree. And number nine, certain fibers have an anti-cancer effect, probably because they're loaded with phytonutrients and they're converted to small chain fatty acids. Number 10, fiber helps buffer the blood sugar response. So when you eat certain carbohydrates, whether it's a carrot or a celery or a tomato, the amount of fiber in that food greatly helps to minimize the glycemic response from that carbohydrate. All right, there you have it, the 10 benefits of fiber.